Smart ways to save big when buying at Lowe's. Save an extra 7% on every purchase that you make at Lowe's by buying discounted gift cards through Gift Card Granny. Get discounts on plants and gardening supplies by signing up for the Lowe's Garden Club. Membership includes a free weekly newsletter that comes packed with coupons. Think buy one get one free plants or other goodies. Lowe's often donates last year's floor models and unsold closeout items to Habitat Restores. Locate one near you, and you could get a great deal on brand new merchandise. Plug Lowe's coupons into your favorite search engine and see what comes up. If you don't find anything good, try Home Depot coupons. Lowe's will accept those, too. Always compare prices before you make a big purchase. If you're able to find a better deal on the same product somewhere else, Lowe's will match the price. Lowe's notes that its price match policy doesn't apply to installation labor, clearance, closeouts, discontinued products and refurbished, used, or damaged items, but for everything else, you'll always pay the lowest price, even if it's a competitor's price. All you have to do is ask. Many big-ticket items qualify for manufacturer rebates, but they may also qualify for utility rebates or tax credits. Get every cent you're entitled to by checking the Lowe's Rebate Center. If you're on active military duty, you get 10% off your entire purchase. This offer is good for all active duty military, reservists, National Guard members, military retirees, and disabled veterans. All other veterans can receive the discount on Memorial Day, the 4th of July, and Veterans Day. You do need to register and create an account to get your military discount, but, hey, for 10% off your purchase, it's worth spending a couple of minutes online. Lowe's is a MyPoints merchant. Click on the MyPoints portal to place your order, and you'll earn 2 points per dollar. Need your stuff today? Just select Pick Up in Store as your shipping option, and your order will be ready for pickup in 20 minutes flat. Every Lowe's has at least one clearance section. Find out where it is and then make it your home away from home. You also have the option to visit the Lowe's online clearance center, enter your zip code, and then you can shop at your local store's clearance sections from home. Lots of things get scratched, dented, or otherwise damaged before they're sold. Figure out where your store puts those items, and you could score some pretty sweet discounts. A few times a year Lowe's holds a big Sidewalk sale to clear out all of its closeouts and returns. Watch for banners announcing the next sale. Then, make sure you're there. You'll find great deals on appliances, tools, lighting, and more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.